If you're experiencing payment issues on the Sunrun dashboard, follow these steps to quickly resolve them. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Sunrun dashboard by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct login credentials to avoid any access issues. Step 2. Check payment history. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, go to the payment settings. Update your credit card or bank account information to ensure future payments are processed correctly. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Sunrun customer support. Use the contact options provided on the dashboard to get assistance from a representative who can help resolve your payment issues. Step 5. Monitor future payments. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your future payments. Regularly check your payment history and account settings to prevent similar problems from occurring again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any payment issues on the Sunrun dashboard efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.